Hola, hello everyone. Welcome to another yoga flow with me, YogalaKlara. Today we are gonna do a short yoga flow, which is good to do when you are ending your day. You can do it, of course, any time of the day. And I hope you enjoy it. Just find a comfortable position, sitting with the spine straight. We're gonna flow through some moon salutations today and do some exercises to help for digestion and calming down from the stress day, or from the day before. Perfect. So roll your shoulders up, back and down. And start to focus on your breathing. Try to imagine the sitting bones grounding down to the floor and the spine rising up. Releasing the knees, the pelvis, the shoulders. I'm just gonna keep our eyes closed and curve the spine. You can catch the knees. Just curve the spine back and just fall back with the body. Helping with the arms to keep the weight. And breathe in, bring the spine back straight. And open the chest up. You can pull with your arms. And open the chest. Breathe in. And breathe out, curve again. And breathe in up. Open the chest, open the neck. Breathe out. Again. Back. And breathe in. Come back to the center. Breathe in. Bring your palms together above the head. And breathe out. Bring them in front of the chest. You can bow the head down and open your eyes. Hey. Now we're gonna just gracefully stand up. You can try this way or try it your way. We're gonna step on one side of the mat. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna breathe in. I'm gonna catch the right wrist with the left hand and just stretch to the right, all the body. Breathe. Breathe in, come back to the center. And now just open the legs, open all the arms, open the knees to the side, come to the goddess position. And we're gonna stretch everything as far as we can, and let's prepare to Trikonasana. Left leg goes in the line with the back of the mat, front leg goes to the front, knee forward, and we try to reach as far as we can and transfer to Trikonasana. Very good. Now we're gonna come with the body forward, looking front. I'm just gonna straighten the pelvis here. So the pelvis is trying to look forward. And breathe here, breathe out, and breathe in. You can have some breaths here. If it's enough for you, just stay there with the breath. Now we're gonna just bend both legs, bend the knee in the back, and go to warrior one. Low warrior, you can put a Kali Mudra. Pulling, trying to engage the belly. Breathe in. And breathe out. Come all the way back down. I'm just going to transfer to the front. To Skandasana. And just open the right arm down and left arm up. Perfect. Breathe in, breathe out. Let's go. Lift the pelvis up and go to Prasarita Padottanasana. to the forward fold, wide leg forward fold, and just relax the back here. You can move the pelvis from side to side. Relax the back. And breathe in, straight spine, look forward. And go to the other side of Skandasana. Left arm down, right arm looking up. Breathe here. Right knee goes up to the sky. I also like to move my foot as well. You can try it if you like. And just transfer to the front. Again, low lunge here. You can try Kali Mudra. If you had the interlock on one side, one way, try the other way right now. Lifting the belly up, pulling from the feet, from the knees. Breathe in, breathe out. Come back forward with the torso. And lift the back leg, put it a little bit closer to the front leg. We have 45 degrees with the back leg and straight spine. We can interlock here. I mean, how to say undulate, just with the breath, going up with the breath and down, if you feel like. Now we're gonna open the back leg, the knee go to the front, the feet go to the front leg stays, and open to Trikonasana. Breathe here, try to have straight spine. Breathe and pull yourself up, all the way up, and come to goddess position. Cactus arms. You can turn the palms all the way to the back, or you can stay with the palms forward, up to you. How does it feel better? Hold the belly in, breathe out, come all the way to the other side of the mat, breathe in, bring the palms above the head, breathe out, bring them in front of the chest. Congratulations, this is the first row of moon salutation. Let's go one more time with a little bit of adding on some little things. So just breathe in, bring the palms above the head, breathe out. Let's go to goddess position, open the knees to the side, straight spine. You can look up even if you feel like. And now again, let's go to Trikonasana. Back leg goes with the line of the mat, front leg forward, breathe in. Try to reach as far as you can. And open, look up. Now let's breathe here this time. Breathe in, look up. And breathe out, just close the arms, close the torso. Breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in. And out. Breathe in. And now, last time, breathe in. And we're gonna close all the way to the front. This time we go all the way to low lunge again. You can place the arms on the knee, or if you want, you can go all the way now. This time, try to open the chest even more up to the sky, but still hold the belly, that we don't feel strain in the lower back. Breathe in, breathe out. Let's put the arms back down. Let's go to Skandasana again. Very good. Find your comfortable place here. Perfect. If you want, again, left arm down, right arm open up. Who feels like you can even bind the hands behind the back? Very good. And come back. Let's go up with the pelvis to Padasana. You can, if you feel like, connect the palms behind and just let them fall. Relax the head down. And breathe in, look forward. You can still keep interlock the arms and relax them. Now go to the other side. Skandasana. You can move here a little bit. Really take your time for yourself. Opening, right arm down, left arm up. If you want, interlocking the fingers behind the back. Breathe in, breathe out. Let's go to the other side. Low lunge. And again, you can place the arms first to try to feel the belly growing up. And now from here, opening the chest even more and going deeper to the lunge. And breathe out. Come back down. This time go all the way back to Trikonasana. Again, breathe in, look up. And breathe out, close. Undulate here, breathe in, breathe out. And come all the way up to goddess position. This time you can bring the arms in front of the chest. A little bit of movement from side to side. Breathe in, breathe out. Push to the other side of the mat. Feet together. Okay, very good. You can just pedal your feet here a little bit. I don't know what I have with the feet today, but apparently they want to move, so you can just change from one side to another. Great. And now we feel a little bit of heat inside. So we did this flow. And just go back down to the position on your heels. And again, come back to your breath. Let's go to a child pose. You can do narrow child pose. For who is not comfortable, you can just open the knees and lay down. This position is also good for a digestive system, for releasing the lower back, the pelvis. You can place the arms above the head or keep them close to the body. Close to the body is also benefiting in releasing the scapulas. Try to relax really the head to the floor. The scapulas falling out. It should be a really relaxing pose as well. Let's roll slowly up. And if you feel like you can lay down to Shavasana or sit down for a little meditation. It's gonna be just 1 minute, just to close out the practice. So, or lay down to the floor, or put the legs up on the wall and let them fall inside the sockets, or just sit straight right now. What is comfortable for you? And just with exhale, release every other tension you have. Release everything from the day, what is not needed anymore. Just try to focus on the breathing again. Relax off the face. Relax off the shoulders. Start to move your arms, your feet, or just you can slowly start to come back here to this world. Start to feel your body. You can rub your arms together and place them on the eyes. Just feel the energy from the arms going to the eyes, and slowly open the eyes and going the arms further. And I thank you very much for flowing with me. If you like this video, please check out the other videos what I have there. Write me in comments anything. Thank you very much. Namaste.